Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to a new video. Basically, I'm just going to run over the new Wealthsimple Trade update. Basically, what they've added in is fractional shares. This is actually crazy. Super cool that they're doing this. Basically, to give you a quick overview, if I wanted to buy into something like Tesla stock, one stock is about $600. What fractional shares do is I could buy $10 into Tesla stock and just buy a fraction of what the whole share costs. So this allows you to kind of get into these companies where you don't have to buy these full shares, which is absolutely incredible. Just to kind of go over some of the companies who are offering fractional shares at this time. Some Canadian companies include Shopify, RBC, TD, and CNR. Some of the US-based companies are Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Tesla, Airbnb, Coinbase, Nvidia, and Facebook. I'll link all these different companies in the description just so you guys have a good idea as to what companies are currently doing the fractional shares. Now, Wealthsimple Trade said they would increase fractional shares for other companies in the near future too. So definitely going to take advantage of these fractional shares. I mean, me personally, I always wanted to invest into Tesla, but I didn't want to front that $600 USD cost. So what I'm going to do here in my portfolio, as you can see, a little bit of an update as to where the portfolio is at. I'm just going to scroll all the way down. As you can see, I just have $20 in the account, and I have had Tesla on my watch list. So if you click on Tesla, you can see here there's a fractional trading available. So what we're going to do is buy, and see in our TFSA we have $20. So if you go to the top here, there's market buy, go down to fractional buy. Now this allows you to buy in dollar amounts instead of buying a full share. So what we're going to do here is we have available to trade $16. So let's just put $10 USD into Tesla. So this order would be filled at the end of the trading day. Okay, so what we're going to do, obviously with the exchange rate, there's a little bit of a commission fee, but that's totally fine in my mind. The total cost is going to be $12 Canadian. So I'm going to confirm order, and fractional bought at 10 USD worth of Tesla. So that's so cool. I now own some Tesla stock. There's no way I could afford at this time a full share of Tesla, which is $670, and the pending offer should be good to go by the end of the day. So that's just a quick update how you buy into a fractional share. I'm sure Wealthsimple Trade will continue to add these different shares onto different companies as well. Also, if you guys do not have a Wealthsimple Trade account, if you deposit $100, you get a $10 bonus if you click the link in my description. So if you have any other questions, please leave it in the comments. Super pumped about these fractional shares. Next thing we're going to be doing is another update to my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge account in about a week or so. So I'll see you guys then. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and talk to you soon.